You're acting like chihuahuas sitting inside all day. I thought dogs like to be outside. Nice sort of sunshine. Now? Why do birds suddenly appear every time we're not near? I think we have a problem. Hello? Anybody in there? Nope. Ah. Nope, and now we're even stuck in there. So this thing doesn't work great. Oh, not great at all. Maybe it works better with the smaller ones. Yeah. Okay, maybe these nails are too big for it. Hey, so he's outside. Wow. Wow. We're also making quite some solar power the last days. All the energy during the day is free. All free. All free. Free showers. Free washes. is he saying? I spent freaking hours on that nest and now you're covering it up? Yeah, so yesterday I ordered some other stuff to cover this up. But it's gonna take a couple of days to be here, and this morning when I was sitting drinking coffee I hear probably birds like walking on the under the tiles. So that's not good. You saw already there's some nests in there. They could still be from last year because last year it happened also. So I wanted to cover it up today actually, because there's a lot of bird activity. And I want to prevent them from putting their eggs in there already. So this way they can still find a different spot for their nest. Hopefully. So this is basically all double work, because this is temporary. Should be pretty fast to cover this up though. Famous last words. You can almost stick anything to anything with this stuff. Double-sided tape. So I thought we fill the other holes up with some rock wool. But they're probably gonna pull that out very fast, right? Now the other stuff we're gonna get is like this sort of very rigid chicken wire, but with a much smaller maze. And we can cut that to the size of these like openings. And then we attach it on here, and then it exactly covers everything that needs to be covered. But for now, these are still open. So I thought to do it something like this, but they're probably gonna pull that out like pretty fast. If they do though, we get to see where they want to go in. I think he's pissed. Sorry, dude. Can't have you fuck up my roof. So now we are out of this wire for the strimmer. And we bought some. Although I don't know, maybe it's for the bigger strimmer. But I can't find the wire anyway, so... Not that I want to use the loud, bigger strimmer. But maybe we don't have an option. And the funny thing is, I've been seeing this like roll of wire. It was in the car for a while. But then I went somewhere and I emptied out all of the car. But where did we put it? Do any of you guys remember seeing it? Have you seen the wire for the strimmer? That's a no. Okay, this is not cool. Maria was just here. She tells me she didn't agree on selling the car. Before I bought the car, I asked specifically if Maria was like good with selling the car. But apparently she's not. Okay. That's a bit of a disappointment on the day. I spent so much time on the car already. Yeah, if Maria doesn't want me to have the car. She said you already have 2 cars. I don't know, this looked like a fun car and I wanted to fix it up. Already for a long time I asked Philippe up a couple of times, do you want to fix up the car? And now that Paolo was selling it, at least he showed somebody else. I thought maybe I could buy it. Apparently Maria is not agreeing. And I don't really understand everything she says, so it's kind of difficult for me to argue with her. Not that I want to argue with her. I was hoping to avoid this. I hope I got everything back in the original place. It's good that we didn't put it in our name yet then.